Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanna show you the tool that I have built it on React.js. Uh, it is a Auto Job Applier tool for LinkedIn users. I have created this tool on React.js and create converted into this tool into a Chrome extension. Let me show you the preview of this tool, how it's working. So what I have done is I have load unpacked the developer mode and uploaded this tool that I have created on React.js. So let's start with this how we can use this tool. Okay, when we click on start auto apply, it will directly show you that we go to job search or click OK. When we click go to job search, okay, let me do a few settings like easy apply, etc. Now, what the tool it's do, when we click on start auto apply, it will automatically starts auto applying the job posts. My hand is here. It's automatically applying to the LinkedIn job posts of the job related, whether you have searched by a location or your profession. It will automatically apply you for the entire jobs on the LinkedIn's. So let's see how it's working. It's applying, it's scrolling. My hand is here, you can see. So let's see. Let you show some features that I have added on this tool. Uh, Suppose external applies of the LinkedIn job post. It saves the company link, job company link, redirectly into this. When you click on this above, it will redirect to the job post that you have to apply through the company websites, etc. So the tool is working very fine way. And guys, thank you for watching my channel. I hope your day will be good. So okay, thank you. Bye bye.